In today's video, we'll talk about some rare $2 bills and why they sold at auction for so much money. This is a 1976 $2 Federal Reserve note. It was graded Very Choice New 64 PPQ by PCGS. This note was unreported until 2009. You can tell it's a star note by the star at the end of the serial number right here. And that serial number, it doesn't get any lower than 1. What an incredible find. The low serial number combined with the decent grade brought in over $35,000 for this $2 bill. Here's an interesting Federal Reserve note. This 1995 note sold at auction for $1,380. Here's why. There are two factors that help this note sell for so much at auction. The first is the grade. This note graded 66 PPQ, which is a decent grade for a Federal Reserve note. A good grade is important, but let's face it, it's not difficult to get $2 bills in a high grade. All you need to do is go to the bank and ask for $2 bills. Chances are you're going to get nice, crisp, new $2 bills. The real money maker for this $2 bill is the serial number. Look at this beauty, a 0 followed by 7 sevens. I don't know if you believe in luck or not, but the lucky owner of this note really cashed in with all those consecutive sevens. 1995 Federal Reserve note. This $2 bill looks just like any other $2 bill you may come across in circulation. It was graded Gem New PPQ, so the note is in pretty good condition. So what makes this $2 bill valuable and worth talking about in this video? Take a look at the serial number, F22227777B. This is what's known as a fancy serial number, and these are desirable among collectors. The fact that the serial number only contains two different numbers grouped together in fours along with the relatively high grade is why this note sold at auction for $33. Here's a 1976 $2 Federal Reserve star note. When there's an error on the note, the mint may make a star note as a replacement note for the missing serial number. When this happens, a star is printed on the note at the end of the serial number right here. This note graded Very Choice Crisp Uncirculated. A combination of the star note, the relatively low serial number, and the grade for this note resulted in an auction house sale of $92. Fancy serial numbers are serial numbers on Federal Reserve notes that are unusual. These are ladders, reverse ladders, binaries, trinaries, and a whole lot more categories. For a Federal Reserve note to sell for an optimal price, it needs to be in really good condition. This note graded 64 EPQ. Not bad, but I've seen better. What made this bill worth the $9,600 it sold for is that serial number. 8 consecutive ones. If you plan on playing Liar's Poker, you're going to want this note. Star notes are replacement notes. Stars are added to the end of the serial number to illustrate this. This is a pack of 100 $2 Federal Reserve notes, and every single one of these consecutive notes is a star note. The notes were graded Very Choice Crisp Uncirculated. They went up for auction with Heritage Auctions. 100 $2 bills, and they sold for a whopping $15,275. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.